Good day friends. My another topic in power lecture series is about power diode. These are my session outlines. Basics of power diodes, types of power diode, the structure of power diode, characteristics of power diode, application of power diode. Basically, power diode is just like a normal PN junction diode which we studied in a first year, we can say. But there are some changes in structure or manufacturing. First of all, basics of power diode. In order to power handling capacity, few changes are getting done in a diode structure. It means the power handling capacity is more in power diode with respect to normal PN junction diode. The power semiconductor diodes are used to perform various operations like rectification, freewheeling, etc. Power diodes are normal PN junction diode with the larger power handling capacity. It has lower switching speed as compared to low power diodes. Its switching speed is very lower as compared to PN junction diode. The types of power diode. There are basically three categories of power diode. It is depend upon the recovery characteristics and techniques of manufacturing which is required to made a diode. Basically, there are three types are general purpose diode, that is called PN junction diode, fast recovery diode and Schottky diodes. First of all, general purpose diode. The general purpose diode, they are used for low frequency application like rectification due to their high reverse recovery time. It has very high reverse recovery time. Reverse recovery time is that time which is used to require the reverse which is used to required to get their normal position after the reverse time. At low operating frequency, these diodes are capable of handling current from very low values to high values. The voltage rating are from 50 volt to 5 kilovolt. Second, fast recovery diode. These are low recovery times as compared to PN junction diode. Its reverse recovery time is very low as compared to normal PN junction diode. They are turned off more quickly and hence can be used in a high frequency application such as DC to AC converters, which can also called inverters. Schottky diodes. Schottky diodes. The Schottky diode has a rectifying IV characteristics. It has similar to the PN junction diode, except that the on-state voltage drop across it is very low. In the reverse bias condition, the Schottky diode have a large reverse leakage current and therefore a lower breakdown voltage, that is 50 to 100 volt. Therefore, the Schottky diode are ideal for high current. The Schottky diode is used for high current only. This is a symbol of power. This is a symbol for power diode. You can see it is like a normal PN junction diode, and this is a structure of power diode. It has two region, basically P region and N region, N positive region, and this N negative region is called drift layer. That is drift layer. Okay, that P and N junction. This is P and N junction. Basically, PN junction, anode and cathode. P is highly doped, a positive region. N positive is highly doped negative region. Then N negative is drift layer which is very lightly doped. The width of P region is about 10 mm and the width of highly doped N region is 250 to 320 nm. And the drift region width based upon the required breakdown. How the width of this drift layer required basically it is used to increase the voltage handling capacity. The more width of the N negative layer will increase the voltage handling capacity. This is a basic structure of power diode. You can copy that. The width of this is a voltage hand with the drift layer is used to increase the voltage handling capacity, because this is a difference between PN junction diode and power diode. The drift region is not available in the normal PN junction diode. So that's why it is called power diodes, because it increased the power handling capacity. How can we say the power handling capacity? Because the width of the drift layer is used for voltage handling capacity, and cross section area of whole power diode is used for the current handling capacity, CHE. If we increase the cross sectional area, then that will increase the current handling capacity, and if we increase the width of drift layer, then we increase the voltage handling capacity. So the total power handling capacity is increased. This is the vertically oriented structure of power diode. It is a vertically oriented power handling vertically oriented structure of power diodes. The vertically oriented structure is preferred in all the power devices as it increases the surface area for forward current, therefore reduces the forward resistance and on-state dissipation. About drift layer and negative layer. It increases voltage handling capacity of diode. It controls reverse breakdown voltage. Higher reverse breakdown needs higher thickness. Okay. If thickness increases, higher will be the reverse breakdown voltage. Due to low doping of drift layer, resistivity is high because it has very low doping. So resistivity is increased. Hence, power diode has more on-state voltage drop. Cross-sectional area of diode gives idea about current handling capacity of power diode, which we say earlier that the cross-sectional area of power diode increase the current handling capacity, and the vertically structure increase vertical area of drift layer increase the voltage handling capacity. So it total voltage and current, okay, voltage and current, P is V into I. Basically power is V into I. So power handling capacity, complete power handling capacity is increased in the power diodes. Okay. This is the VI characteristics of power diode. It is similar to PN junction diode, but it also work in a reverse diode, reverse junction. We can see the IV characteristics of PN junction diode. The A shows when anode is positive with respect to cathode, and B shows when anode is negative with respect to cathode. That means it is forward bias and it is reverse bias. In a forward bias, it works like a normal PN junction diode. That means in the starting, when the voltage is very low, the leakage current will flow, and after a breakdown region, this is called breakdown region. This is called breakdown region, forward breakdown region. We can see after a breakdown region, the sudden current will start flow. That is called forward biasing PN junction diode. And a reverse bias, when anode is negative with respect to cathode, that is called negative. That is called reverse biasing. It's reverse biasing. It works like a Zener diode. We all know that. I think you all know that in the reverse biasing, only Zener diode is work in a reverse biasing. So in a reverse biasing, it work as a Zener diode. After for a certain point, the leakage current will flow. After the breakdown, the excessive current will flow in a negative region. This is IV characteristics of power diodes. Last topic is application of power diode. We can see the many application of power diodes for high power than PN junction diode. For rectification, freewheeling, AC to DC converter is rectification, DC to DC converter is chopper, DC to AC is converter is inverter, power supply, and energy feedback. I can write this. AC to DC converter is rectification. DC to DC converter is choppers. We can see chopper. We will explain in another series in chopper and inverters. It will also explain after some series. These are the application of power diode. So friends, this is another lecture about power diodes. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in a comment box. I will explain later. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion regarding my channel or my lectures, please comment in a comment box. Thank you and stay safe.